What will happen to your body if you don't eat sugar in 30 days? Sure, here are 20 potential changes that might occur in your body if you abstain from consuming added sugars for 30 days. 1. Improved blood sugar levels. Steadier blood sugar levels can be expected without the spikes caused by sugar consumption. 2. Weight loss. Reduced sugar intake often leads to weight loss due to lowered calorie intake and improved metabolism. 3. Reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Lowering sugar intake can decrease the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 4. Better dental health. Decreased sugar consumption can lower the risk of cavities and gum disease. 5. Increased energy levels. Stable blood sugar levels can lead to more consistent energy throughout the day. 6. Improved skin health. Reduced sugar intake may lead to clearer skin and fewer breakouts. 7. Enhanced mental clarity. Some individuals experience improved focus and concentration when they cut out sugar. 8. Reduced risk of heart disease. Lowering sugar intake can contribute to improved heart health by reducing risk factors like high blood pressure and cholesterol. 9. Better digestive health. Cutting out excess sugar can improve gut health and reduce the risk of digestive issues. 10. Reduced inflammation. Sugar consumption is linked to inflammation in the body, and cutting it out can decrease overall inflammation levels. 11. Improved sleep quality. Some people report better sleep patterns when they reduce sugar intake. 12. Enhanced immune function. Lower sugar intake might support a stronger immune system. 13. Reduced cravings. Over time, cravings for sugary foods and drinks may decrease. 14. Balanced hormones. Stable blood sugar levels can help regulate hormone levels in the body. 15. Improved liver function. Less sugar intake can reduce the strain on the liver, promoting better liver health. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.